This is my Kubota BX25 tractor. It gets used for quite a few things out here. This is my BT601 backhoe. It started leaking fluid and I traced it to, actually let me show you the hose. This here's the hose and there's the hole in the hose. Hopefully you can see it there. The problem is that hose goes right there, and it's going to be hard to show you without getting my hand in the way, but it goes right there. The problem is once you've got a hose connected here and another one connected here, you cannot get a wrench up in there to get that out. So let me show you what I did. You have to actually start on the other side. You have to start all the way over here, and you have to start taking each one of these here off in sequence or in series, just to get a wrench on that one to get it off. And it's not just any wrench. Okay, I've got hydraulic fluid all over my hands, but what you've got is you need a flare nut wrench, and this is an 18mm flare nut wrench. But what I've had to do is grind all the sides of it down so I could get it up in there in between all those other fittings. So anyway, if you're wondering how it's done, that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.